Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to learn about the drawing dimensions. So we are going to cover the baseline dimensions, chain dimensions and much more. Okay, so right now as you can see I have a drawing here and I want to add some dimensions to this drawing. So what I can do is I can go here into the annotations and then into the ribbon section you can see there is an option for smart dimensions. And under the smart dimensions there is an option, so if I'm going to click on that, so you can see there are different options like horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, baseline, chain, ordinate, vertical ordinate, chamfer and much more. Okay, but I'm gonna use only smart dimensions in this video, and smart dimensions is providing us the best dimensions what we can use. So I'm just gonna go into the smart dimensions. Okay, so before starting the dimensions, I need to choose a datum or reference from where I want to start my dimensions. So most of the time people use this one, or you can use this one as well, but I'm always recommending this one. So maybe you guys are thinking why we need to have a reference or datum. So whenever we are sending our drawing to someone, the guy who is working in the machine, so it is really easy to read for him, and then he's gonna start from one reference and then he's gonna start his work. So that's why we always need to start our dimensions from one specific reference. So what I can do is I can start my dimensions from here till here. But before starting the dimensions, what I would like to do is I would like to add some center marks into my circle. So I'm gonna go here into the ribbon section and I can start my center mark on these circles. And then I would like to uncheck the document details and extended lines, and then I'm going to click the green check mark. Okay, so in this way, as you can see, I can add center marks into my circle. So in this way, it's going to help me in giving the dimensions. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the annotations and then let's go into the smart dimensions. And then as I already select this reference, so I'm gonna give all the dimensions from this reference. So I'm gonna select this line and then this circle, and then I can give my dimensions. And then again I'm gonna select this line and this circle, and I can give my second dimension. I'm gonna select again this line, this circle, my next dimensions, again this line. You can go here, I'm just following the circles right now. Okay, so as you can see, in this way I can just create a stack of all the dimensions, and this is really easy to read. Okay, so these kind of dimensions, like this kind of way, is called baseline dimensions. So I want to delete all these dimensions, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna apply all these with the chain dimension. So I'm just gonna select this one and then click the delete button on my keyboard. Okay, so let's go again into the annotations and let's go into the smart dimensions. So what exactly the chain dimension is? So in the chain dimensions, what we do is we can just start from the previous point until the next point, and when we give our dimensions like this. And now I'm gonna start from here till here. And from here till here, like this, and let's click the green check mark. Okay, so in this way, I can give my dimension from one part to second, and then second to third, third to fourth, fourth to five. But there is a drawback of chain dimensions, because as you know, there is a tolerance. All the time there is a tolerance. So if the tolerance from this point to this point is you can say 0.5, and then it's gonna increase from this point to this point, from it's 10 and then 15. From this point to till this point, the tolerance is gonna 0.15 and then 0.25 from this point to this point. So that's why I always not prefer to use the chain dimensions. But sometimes, if you have some critical dimensions which is really important for you, suppose so if this dimension from this point till this point, this is really critical for me, so in this way I should use chain dimensions, and normally I should use baseline dimensions. So a combination is always a good option, so it's up to you. Okay, so there is another option, if I'm gonna go into any dimensions, and it's up to you, if you want to make your dimensions very accurate, so then you can just draw your dimension in 3-digit points, or you can go here into the feature manager, you can select any dimensions, and then you can go into the tolerance and precision. And here what you can do is you can just select 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit, 4 digit, as much as you want. So it's up to your design requirement. Okay, one last thing, how we can give dimension to the circle. So what I can do is I can just go into the annotations, and then into the ribbon section you can see there is an option for whole callout. So I'm just gonna select the whole callout, and then at whatever the hole I want to give dimension, I can just select the whole, and in this way, like, this command is gonna export all the information about the hole. What is the size, is it through all, or what are the dimension of any hole, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then I'm gonna go back again for the whole call out, and then I'm going to select this circle. So you can give, or you can export all the whole dimensions or information, and then I'm going to click the green check mark. Okay, so this way we can use baseline and chain dimensions. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.